Hi everybody, it's 11:46 and 42 seconds on Monday, June 11th. This is the main drawing for the New Mutants 87 and 98 slabs. Over here on the left-hand side are the 40 filled spots. I'm going to go up and down a few times. Joe Fote and Jeff Lewis won the mini. So Joe was assigned the first 4 available spots open at the time, and Jeff Lewis was assigned the final 4 available spots open at the time. Alright, so let's roll our 3 dice. Number is 14. I will randomize 14 times. Name at the top of the list will win both books. Most likely not going to get them out until Tuesday the 12th. I will try my best to do it today if I have a chance to stop by the post office. So away we go. Best of luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and here's the final one, 14. Jeff Lewis, congratulations. You won a spot from the mini, spot number 30, and you win the main. Time just turned 11:48 and 4 seconds.